Now I am going to perform the fifth microwave experiment, reflex Klystron characteristics. The aim of the experiment is to study the characteristics of the reflex Klystron. The apparatus used for this experiment are, this is Klystron mount, then this is the Klystron mount, then DSO and Klystron power supply is variable. The procedure of this experiment is the components and the experiments are set up as shown in the experimental setup. The control knob of the Klystron power supply is as shown in below, like mode switch should be in the CW mode, beam voltage knob fully anti-clockwise direction, repeller knob fully clockwise, meter switch cathode ray voltage position. Then the frequency meter is rotated at one side. We have to switch on the Klystron power supply and cooling fan for the Klystron tube. We have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Then cathode voltage knob at minimum positive side gives a beam voltage of about 2.35 volt. Then we can observe the beam current on the meter by changing the meter switch to the beam current position. Now we can change the meter switch to the repeller voltage position. Then select the proper range for the power meter so that the power output is maximum mode and will not exceed the limit. Now increasing the reflected voltage, we can record the output power. Now I am going to switch on the DSO and the microwave power supply. So this knob is kept at the CW position and this knob is kept at reflector voltage position. Okay, the output of the Klystron is connected to the DSO and the output from the power supply is connected to the Klystron mount, this one. Now by increasing the repeller voltage, we can collect the output power, different output power of the Klystron, reflex Klystron. So first we will set the reflector voltage at 98 volt. Okay, at 98 volt we got the power from the DSO is around 344 milliwatt. Then we will increase it to 125. At 125 we got around 312 milliwatt power from the DSO. We'll make it 156. At 156 we got the power around 480 milliwatt. At 200 we got around 488 milliwatt power, and 241 voltage we got 640 milliwatt power from the DSO. Now these are the data which we have got from the microwave power supply and DSO. Now we put a graph between repeller voltage and the output power, and we got a graph of like this. This is a repeller voltage and this is output voltage. We'll got the voltage, we'll get the voltage graph like this. That means at a different power we are getting at different voltage, reference voltage, we are getting different power. The values of the power is observed from the Klystron power supply by adjusting the reference voltage I have already discussed, and the values are noted. The graph is plotted between output power along the x-axis and the reference voltage along the y-axis, and the experiment is successfully completed.